Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can invite new users and manage their permissions on Bokio accounting software. To invite users and manage their permissions, we need to go to Settings section. Here, under Company section, there is a subsection called Users. We are able to provide or give three types of accesses. So we can invite an admin, so full access to system, practice an accountant, or other. If we click on other invite user or click on add user, we will be able to select areas what this user will be able to access on Bokio accounting software. So invite user, and now we can select in which areas they can access. If you click on this drop down list, there will be all sections available for you to select and give a permission. In my case, I will give an access to invoicing and supplier invoices. So if I tick here, all available under this category will be selected automatically, or you can just give one of two options provided, for example. So in my case, I will provide all, provide an email address, and click send invitation. So now there is pending invitation. So if you will have user will accept their invite, it will show up under active users like here. So to amend permissions or change permissions at a later time, you will be able to click on this pen and then select in areas to which this person can access. So for example, adding more permissions to particular areas, and once you do any changes, click save. It's the same if you don't want to or want to remove this person, click on this bin icon and you will be able to remove person from users. If at a later point what you have invited person you want to cancel, just click on cancel invite and it will be removed from a list. So in this episode I showed you how you can invite users, manage their permissions and edit their accesses, as well as delete or remove from your user list this user. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also guys, I have shared the links in description section below to my Bokio tutorial as well as review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.